Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna be doing something special because I have all this antique discs. Let me show you. I got all these discs and I need to be able to digitize them somehow so I can get the music into my computer, because I need to be using this music for my video editing in the future. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I have attempted to build one of these machines before. Here is the first attempt. I tried to put in the motor from a more modern one, but what we're gonna do with this thing is we're gonna take out the electronics I put in. If you look here, we have some cables coming out. One of them is the digital audio cable and the other one is a USB, and it goes to a little motherboard inside that picks up the audio signal from the needle. So we're gonna pick it out of this machine and switch it over to this one over here. A little bit of soldering and stuff like that. Hopefully we'll get it done pretty fast. Here are some of the required necessary tools for the job. I had a potato here, I don't know where it went.
Vi två kära benugan lära att lukan som vi fått är inte avsett blott för stora vackra skott. Kärleksgåvan vi fått från oven, den trivs nog allra bäst i den enklaste vrå som finns att få för oss två i en röd liten.
So let's see, here's the electrical components that come out. Here's a little motherboard. Here is another part and the power supply for that. Now we're just gonna put that stuff into this one over here. So let's tear this one apart. Yeah, that was a lot easier than I expected. So yeah, let's see what we got here. It's a nice wooden box here, so it's gonna be easy to mount the electrical components inside here in the bottom. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then I've been looking at this stuff here for a while, and I think I got it figured out pretty well, actually. So here I'm gonna mount the electrical cables that pick up the audio, and then I think here I'm connecting the power that goes to the motherboard. You got some nice old stuff right here. So let's figure out a way to get the stuff in here.
Bland violer och kaffefulla vi lär oss blommans språk. Ty den talar blad om den lyckas som till oss kom.
There we go, there's the soldering done there, and I did some soldering here, and I mounted the new electrical components in the bottom of the box here. So yeah, let's put it all together and see if it works as it's planned to. So let's put the electrical cord in and see if we got anything working here. Make sure it's powered off first. There we go. Excellent. Power on. Oh yeah, we got spinning. Let's do this one.
Någon stal mitt hjärta, någon bröt mitt itu. Och allting tyder på att det var du.
It worked out to be really well. Worked really well. So yeah, I'm really happy with the result, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna be hearing a lot more of that old school music coming up in the videos ahead. So it worked excellent. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this time. Thank you for watching this small little project, and welcome back to the next one.
Jag binder hennes hand med starka kärl.